Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts on WhatsApp. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up your mobile phone. So after opening up your mobile phone, there are two methods in order to add contacts on WhatsApp. So I'm going to tell you the first option, and in iPhone and Android, both methods will be same. So let's get started. You guys have to firstly open up your contacts. So after opening up your contacts, here you guys have to simply tap on plus button or tap on add contact from anywhere on the screen on your mobile phone. It's based upon your mobile phone. So you just have to add contact, and here what you have to do is you guys have to just simply put the information. So in the first name you guys have to put any of the information. In the last name you guys have to also put any of the information, and in the phone number you guys have to put his or her phone number, and make sure that the person whom phone number you are writing must be on WhatsApp, and you guys have to good to go, and just tap on save. After opening up WhatsApp, here you guys have to simply tap on the message option, which is on below right corner, and here you guys have to simply search that contact which you have saved. So after searching that, if the person really used the WhatsApp, he will be come in the search box. The second method is also very simple method, and you guys can do this, and it is very efficient method than first one. So you guys have to just simply open up WhatsApp on your Android phone or iPhone. So you guys have to just simply tap on below right corner of message option, and after tapping on message option, here you guys have to simply tap on new contact. So after tapping on new contact, you guys have to simply add up the information. So here you guys have to just first put the first name and put the last name, and you guys have to just simply tap on save. So in this way you guys can easily add contact to WhatsApp, and it is better than first one. So hope guys you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.